Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this 2019 Jeep Cherokee, and this quick video I'd like to show you how to replace battery in this car. So let's start. It's actually very simple procedure. Everyone can do this, and very simple. So pop the hood, over here in the middle you have to press this thing and raise the hood up, and it should hold. So the battery is right here. What kind of tools we need? What we need is a ratchet, okay, with 10mm socket, preferably a long one, okay, with extension. So what are we doing? First, we're gonna remove this screw right here. This is a nut, okay, so we're gonna remove it, this one, and loosen this thing here. Okay, that's the first thing we're gonna do. Okay, so I took the nut out from here, I put it right there. Now I loosen this one, so now it's loose, moves. Okay, so now we remove this cable from here and set it aside, and raise this thing up and remove this connector right here. Remove it, disconnect it, and hide it here. Okay, and this thing, hide it in here like this. Good. Next thing, we take the same tools we used, and we're gonna take out this nut in here. Okay, so take it out. Okay, so once you loosen the screw, you just get it out. Take it out and put it right here. Now get out this plastic piece, get it out and park it here. Now take out this thing, set it aside, and by now you should be able to get the battery out. So here are the handles, get them, slide the battery towards yourself so you can raise it up, and then you should be able to get it out. Oh, it's heavy. Okay, so you're sliding it out from here. Now once you have the new battery, your new battery is gonna come without this thing here. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to remove this, and then just remove, you just loosen this thing here and remove. Okay, so like this. Okay, once you have the new one, just put it back on, tighten this thing up, this. Okay, so it doesn't move. Okay, so once you have the new battery in, you have to put it back in. It's actually the same reverse procedure, but I'm going to show it to you. So I'm going to push you guys here. Yeah, it's heavy. Okay, we have it in, and then you have to just slide it in like this. Slide it towards the that way. Now we have this thing in. You can actually put this thing back on. Okay, so you put this thing back in and put the screw in. Okay, once you have the screw in, make sure the battery doesn't wiggle. Okay, close these handles, take the cover, put the cover back on. Okay, so cover is on. Connect these connectors put the terminal on, and over here put this thing here and put the nut back on. Now next step is tighten up. So you have to tighten up this nut here and this nut right here. So after you tighten them up, you're all set, and this is the whole procedure. As you can see, it's very simple. Please note that all your settings on the radio and odometer, not odometer, but trip computer, and maybe some radio stations and stuff, they're gonna reset. So you'll have to put everything back in again manually. Otherwise, this is it. This is how you do it. Hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.